must he?
Then how much must he pay?
At least maybe from 50K, maybe 70, yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, nyala ka 15,000. 15,000 na le ngibhodlile mina ngidlile already. Friend was complaining. Hi, she's a petty though. Hi, I want jabot na. I want jabot. When it's raw, you can feel it. I don't know, it's raw. Yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same feeling.
So which one do you prefer?
I once had one in a car. Yes.
Okay.
Because they're too small, but they will use them. You must be strong. You must be too smart to be dealing with those people. But they are good people. They treat good care of women. But mind you now, people who pay girls, mind you, in this century, it's South Africans.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Litsi M. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not alone. I'm joined by Princess, the queen. Is it the queen of SA or queen or queen of
Yoruba princess.
London.
Yoruba princess.
Princess of Earth.
Yoruba princess.
You want to be a princess?
Oh, Yoruba princess.
Oi.
Agba. So what? You don't know the Nigerian tribes. There's Igbo, there's Yoruba, there's what?
So what does it mean?
It's like a tribe.
A tribe, yeah. Okay.
Like ufana nobati umZulu, umSotho, Sotho princess, Nkaluhanya. Yes.
Oh, okay. So Yoruba king.
Yeah.
Yoruba princess.
Yes.
It's a Nigerian slang or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
How are you feeling?
I'm blessed.
Blessed. Which means that it's almost I'm blessed.
I'm blessed, Shem.
Like blessed in what sense? Like you're blessed like with the things that you've always wished for, or like
today I woke up blessed.
Feeling blessed.
Yes.
Who was blessing you? Someone was blessing you.
Yes.
Yeah.
I need to be blessed actually.
But you don't have a place, Amos. Do you have a place?
I don't. I need one.
You need one.
Yes.
The billionaire, Kate Matlala.
Yes. Minister.
Minister.
Yes.
So would you date like a minister?
Yeah.
But that guy is always busy, Mos.
Yeah, it's fine.
So
Ka free time I will entertain him, then ahambe, ayoba busy.
But
it's fine.
Uzoba khathele vele already.
Angithi ngizomassage umuntu omuholo unyaka massage.
He won't perform.
Unyaka matho ama fresh.
Then the performance, I don't think it's yoba sharp.
Itoba sharp.
Hey.
Akera madi ama fresh, amanyane.
Yeah.
So like, would you date like an old guy, like an old person?
Old minister.
Because that guy, like, obviously, these ministers, they are old.
Yeah. Old.
Would you date like an old gent? Like,
Plate is Monday.
Yeah, I would. Cause kuyafana, ditakatsa rena, these small boys, badlala ka rena mos. So it's better to go to school or jole minister. I will read everything that you want. Onestele or drive G63 nyana. Wantalohanya. Yeah, untumola olena, untia skolong. It's fine. Working for yourself, getting money from your own blesser, it's okay.
So which one is better coffee? Or like the better coffee, kula ma minister, ombona.
Which
Asivale.
Which minister would you go for? Like that one that you'd say, Ish, if I can get this one, I can.
I'm not sure yet, but Asivale le.
Mm.
Yeah.
Maybe Fikile Mbalula or something. Because he's styling young.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Mm-hmm. Asiko sure, maybe. Ubaba ngiyamthanda, maybe.
Andre, like why about a princess?
I don't know. I can say I don't look like one.
Yeah, because you look like a baby mouse. You don't look like a princess.
Okay.
Khanti, what's the difference between a baby and a princess?
Mina ngazi, but a princess is like someone like a soft baby, uyabona. So a baby like umuntu okuhlanya kesikhafi. Umuntu hey, I want my money now. Send me 10K now. So a princess is like a soft baby. Baby, can you please do this for me? That's a princess. But a baby, ngiyayidinga imali manje, baby. Yeah.
So what are you in?
Mina, I'm everything actually.
So you're a princess and you're a baby.
Mm-hmm. I have today gonna act tomorrow gonna act like a princess, tomorrow gonna act like a queen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a bafani vele.
Yeah, ne. Then like kibatla lifestyle like 30 babies. Like is it worth it just to live that lifestyle? Like imagine someone just splashing money on you like the whole
It's
time.
worth it, but while living that life, just have something to do in life. Or you are going to school, you have a degree, or you are doing something, a business. Because this life, yeah, fail. You're growing up, who fita ma 2010 one tlhalohanya.
Anka mona wa gago.
And tlhalohanya. Wena o setse o le mokekula ba sa o nyaka, they are tired. They want the new ones.
Yeah. Ne?
So now do you have like friends like who live that lifestyle, like where guys are just like spending money on them?
Yes.
Barring like how is their lifestyle? Like how is Sheba? What are they going through? Are they enjoying life? Like how does it look like their lifestyle?
Some of them bahlele kuphela, they're just being there because of money. It's not good. Akukho mnandi, like it's complicated.
Akumnandanga.
Yeah.
But not all of them was. Then abanye is the one that you know that's enjoying like everything about like that baby lifestyle.
No.
So now you've never like lived that life. How? Khanti, also it's only blesser or someone that just splash money on you.
Nah, I'm going to your place, you sleep with me, you give me 5K, if Allah more, but if you want to be in my life, yeah, we can continue. But it's not going to be easy.
Why?
Because it was our thing, it was in exchange of money. Yeah.
So 5K is your rating?
From 5K, yes.
From 5K up?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you get like a guy on a lichele, like Uchaja Young, let's say now you get like a big baller.
I won't charge him.
What are you gonna do?
Nothing. I'm just going to have fun with him. Tomorrow I can nampale 50K. Yeah.
But
I don't have to tell him about money. If he's a big baller, he got a money, he's a billionaire, I don't. Get 10 off.
Okay.
So what happens now if maybe like he doesn't give you man? But like I wanna give like just to have fun, maybe it's chowing. Then after that Aba like no, I'm not gonna give out any man. What happens then?
I've never met such.
I khonagala. Yeah.
You've never met such? Is it? No man. Then tell me, like in all these guys that you've been like visiting, how much money have you made? Like you'd say, in overall, this is the money that I think I made.
I can't count the money, because after getting that money, it's useless. That money that they give us after sleeping, this prostitution is just useless. Because you don't do anything. You just do your nails, you just do your hair, like luto. Ifela no so. You cannot tell 5K no. After ka 10 ya furu. Kaboma 4 if edile cause ke tšhelete le reng a ba entsha ka pelo ya bona wa ntlhalanya ba intitso rawa ke sefebe ka sereka, something like that.
Have you ever thought of joining these online dating apps or whatever? Rebone normally African casting it it's online. Have you ever like thought of joining them online?
No.
Why?
I don't like them. I just say
That is safe, isn't it? But meeting someone in person, is it safe though? But the person can just take you and then don't bring you back home. Who's gonna find out who the guy took you?
Like if it's a so face to face.
Yeah, then and then after then, like you disappear.
Mutu kono maona from the get go hore oh ke junkie or o sharp o kono mona, even the way he dressed up o kono mona, you judge from kamkwapering and from the smell, like o kono mona the car that he's driving,
the smell.
But let's just say maybe you know this guy Bareki Vosmusi Ket Matlal. Imagine if you would have met that guy. That guy, he's a notorious gangster. Imagine if you would have like he does it, but he doesn't.
Yeah.
So you would date him?
Yes. Yes, ngimsabe Vusi Matlala.
King umbona kare umbona le yang.
Nakamona le motho sharp.
He's the man.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, serious ngci. Kona le motho sharp na. Tare we rang o dira ko nna ke mosadi ya hae. Yeah, come try sharp. Why tshwantse ke mothabe?
Then what do you say about these girls that goes like, cause when you don't go to the streets and sell like and be there, advertise and stuff, but there are girls who go there on the road, but like what's different with like where like
I mean, I don't know what's different, but those girls make more money than those other ones via Kopanan Labatu or on social media and stuff. Yes. Mara, I can never go there. My pride doesn't allow me to go there. I'm too big for that.
Do you think street girls make more money than you?
They said so. I don't know.
But those ones, they look tired.
Yeah.
No.
It's life, you know. Yeah. Ntongole ngwena le di level, di standard. Ona le rena ba bangwe rena di standard. Ona le ba bangwe ba leng godimo re sa ba latella. I can't mention them. Yeah.
Is there someone that you look up to, like, oh, this person is a chelete, like, come on.
Yeah.
Kesayan Buj. Come on.
Those big girls. Those ones are my sisters. Gabarata. Hey, marangas ma mention. Mara ke saya ko ke tlo fitla.
Like, but okay,
like for example, example. It's not like they're selling. That's why kita karen na for now get it tired. This Ashawa work doesn't work for me. I'm into hosting now. Kira chelete, hosting has money. This Ashawa work, they can give you 5K. 5K ya tenye fela ona biano.
But 5K
and they don't even respect you.
They don't.
They don't respect. Yeah, they don't respect. Yo, these guys, yo.
In which way? Like,
No, one ol motho fela, motho re kisa maraho, one tlhalohanya. This prostitute, they don't respect you. They don't respect these guys.
But now, if mutsa reka, which means wa rata mos. So how is it different? How are they finding it difficult to respect you where else like they liked you from the get-go? That's why bare
In life, modimo o ira batho, na le ba bang o tla botsa hore a ke reke maraho. Na le mongwe vele, o tlile mo lefatsheng ho tlo reka maraho, hore ba le different girls, wa ntlalohanya. Ha nyala, ha para ring, ha nya ke mosadi. So,
buy always.
yeah.
Keep on buying.
there are guys like that, like who live for buying. So when do they come back? Like if maybe someone like
Yes. Ngithi ngiwanika kamnandi. Yes, I fuck them nice.
so that's why.
Some
But do
of
they
them,
tell?
yeah, some of them will be jealous. When I'm outside, maybe if ka hosta, they will be saying, "You're going to meet other guys. You're going to do this." I say, "More, I'm going to make my own money. Ka hosta, and I'm a brand. Pela I'm a brand, mina manj. For a girl to come and sit with me, motafureng ewan, just respect. Just know that upila. Yes. For you to chill with me on the same table, ke hosta. Just know that you qualify. You are a premium. Mosiah go. Yeah.
What's going on with this hosting? Like explain more.
Hosting. Your duty as a host is to bring beautiful girls in a club,
Okay.
to attract and to have fun, to attract ballers, to come and buy champagnes, to ball and to have fun. That's my duty as a host.
Okay.
Yes. And I have to get paid because kitisita banyana. But some of these clubs, they don't pay.
They don't pay.
Basokodisa.
Yeah.
But what to retire must like go.
Kiritaya, I shower work.
Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. And you're going for hosting, but co-hosting,
yeah.
they're giving
They
you
are not the
difficulties.
same. I can
Oh.
do you host different clubs. It's not like a host like Huani.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you made money like from hosting?
They told me to host last year after my birthday around October.
Okay.
But so far, Kiwana really a good thing. Yes.
So you charge per ugelo mlethile, or you just count the number of girls then?
They just offer me that we are going to give you like 3K for a night for you to bring girls. Yes. And if I bring one of my friends, maybe a rich guy, to come and buy champagnes, I'm getting a percentage because of the table, like table bookings.
So 3,000, it's not small for bringing people.
I'm getting free alcohol. I'm getting free habli. I'm even getting 3K. I'm working shisha.
What if let's say 10 people or 20 girls?
It depends, yeah. I wonder if I bring 20 girls, yeah, na mela chelet.
Yeah.
So if kitty 8 people, it's sharp.
It's sharp. But
So these girls, like, do they go with these guys? Like, they say
Oh,
that
yes, I
big
think
baller
so.
is interested. Like, do they go with them?
Yeah.
yeah,
But there's some other girls who invite them to a club. They just go to have fun. They don't want to live with any guy. They just want to go have fun, drink, and tell her. Some they live with guys, some they don't.
yeah, man.
When I go clapping, like, would you go with the guy if the guy is interested?
Yes.
Like, what do you look at, like in a guy that you'd say, this guy actually, like, maybe
Qualifies to have me.
yeah.
Unkamonate.
Yeah.
The way he's wearing, the car he's driving, yeah.
Oh.
And the way I spent the kamutlapong.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it matters who spend like Yeah,
Yes.
spend the book.
Yes.
Shooting
Tshwanetse
melao
o tlo
wa
reka
shows.
Ace of Spades o reka dompere yo ya kona mo banong banyana ba tlo tya serious ba o jaivela.
Hey,
Why nibala imoto ahamba ngayo ikoloyi kuthi nayo iaccount why
Iyakhonta.
ikena kai
Ro jetse ka kole mo driver ngi.
ka bona gala go na le tšhelete ne.
Le the way apering le smell like wa tlhalanya motho o khona mmona le ka skin.
oh
Gore ei.
Mo na le chelete mo. Le di buff and shiny ya rai. Lo butilo ish.
He's my type. What's your type, Yvette? Like your type now?
Mina
How
ngina
does it-
type mina as long as I pocket igcwele o type yaka.
your
Yeah.
type is man what is
Yeah.
money talks
Yeah,
Money
money
talks.
talks. And money is time.
yeah
Man.
yeah
Time is money, guys. Time is money.
Yeah. Yeah.
but most of lama guy lawa ngaphandle they are not smelling nice how do you handle the smell everything
Yeah.
They don't smell good.
Some they don't.
Like what's wrong, Mhlambe?
Bayageza. Maybe ish nakiti it's like it's why man. Ish. Nakiti. Maybe ke kamkhobali I ke tlhalohane.
Or maybe berekisa ina le ntse ba di berekisang that brings money, which makes them or they must smell like that.
Yeah. Nithi bathi uyakhona ukukentla ukentlile maybe ntho kentlile ngayona maybe ukentlile ngenyoka or lehotlo or a dog ayinyake unkhe monate tshwanetse hore unkhe somehow. It happens.
then he come and kiss you
Ish.
Then would you go with a guy like that? As, like when I
As yeah.
it doesn't matter the smell.
It doesn't matter. Ngithi really busy with these guys maybe bayira di ritual or they're doing something moqeda uyahamba wena uyogeza ho fetsa uya dilo le that guy waya wena o tlhapa ka muthi wakho untshasi nyama selo ba sharp bophelo bo.
Then tell me about this like like this nightlife you're clubbing. Like is it safe that lifestyle? Like to go club to clubs? Like what's going on there? Are you guys having fun?
Yeah,
Like how does it
you're
look
having
like?
fun, Shem. I don't wanna lie. See, like Tomila who engaged to do that to that life last year.
Okay.
So now I'm used to monate. Ho ntse o ntse one ko wena like o borehile ko re wa tlhotlhonyela no something that was sort of go out go and have fun go and drink. It's about you hore o rata fun entertainment. Una batho ba bang they don't like going out. Una batho ba bang they like going out. Para hili a re lapise ke di hili especially as rena ba rata nightlife. Monate nightlife is good shem.
Like tell me about the experience where you were at a club and everything was just like going well. What was happening?
What? Oh, you just dance, you just go with the vibe, the music, yo ba letsangi. O khatla ke mabotlolo a tla ba bina mola. Yeah, it's nice. Aka ya tlapong ka bona ho sna champagne yana ka te kwatela. You must get angry, you can't take abampori di bolatse. Yeah, why ba sa re ke champagne, why?
So they must buy that champagne.
Yeah, o to kwatela lo ngwanyana o bona banyana ba bampa kwala ba ba rekela. Wena why wena? Kwenzakalani ngawe wena?
This means there's a problem, man.
Yeah.
Yo, yo. Then like, what's like your worst experience got clubbing that you've experienced? Maybe that, because obviously there are things that also happen. Maybe like that also hurt you in a way. Is there things that hurt you like in a way? Maybe got it clubbing and stuff like that.
Wait, is ratawa and you get drunk. everyone wa tlapela, but we get drunk in different ways. We allow to tshware ka go tshwana. Some they disrespect you when they are drunk. Ke problem eo. O ka bola le motho a tlapetswe. Yo. Ba bang ba tingela. Tla bona motlhola guys.
What else do you see there?
Nothing.
It's just that, yo.
Just kakela, imagine.
Munna,
Yeah, a guy.
a big ball.
Yeah, he was not a big ball.
King in nanu yahulu noma.
Kusekwenzeke yini lapho?
Ay, nakito eighty. Cabanga embarrassment engaka.
Yo. Okay, then I'm jaded. There was this time you shared like pictures of that saying that the Nigerians have hurt you and stuff. What was happening? Tell me, take me there, because the last time you were here, like obviously you told the whole South Africa or you're into Nigerians and you don't do South African gens, like the way you love the Nigerians, the way they make you happy, like in every way. So what happened? No, like Karetola or no, the Nigerians like Baushapile and stuff, like
Your people.
like what was happening? What happened actually? Take it like take it from scratch,
Yeah.
like what happened?
Oh, it was nice. They invited us to a party. We were chilling. Bonashem, they are good guys. I don't wanna lie, ne?
Okay.
So, and I mean, nya papa. I talk too much. Nya papa, vele nya spapela. I mean, I'm too forward. So everyone left, ne? I was with this other guy. I don't know. He doesn't sleep or what. I don't know. Uthi wenzakala ngempilo yalo mfana lo. How are we chilling there? We smoking happily. How lo mfana lo I'm convinced. Uthi oh baby girl, let's do like two second nyana. I'll give you 2K. Yabon?
Let's do 2 seconds there.
Papa, let's fuck.
Quick.
Oh.
Quick. I'll
Okay.
give you
Oh,
2K. Oh, you understand? Okay, sharp. I had to think about it. Think about it. Imagine now you're here and you're going home without money. Ish. Then I'm convinced. I go to girl, just do it.
Yeah.
Waratamaya. We went to fuck outside of the house because I think we're high. It's not his own house. Ratamaya.
Unali batho?
There was no one. It was just me and him.
Oh.
People were sleeping.
Okay.
Oh, another Ratamaya. We fucked.
Where? In a car? Or
Komurao.
toilet?
Komurao wa ntlo.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes. Yawa.
Gee,
Sapo. Kapela. So I got mad. Long fala lo yang jwayela yo. Orota 2 minutes, 2 seconds nyana like
Then
urutile
waruta.
fast. He came fast.
It was
Like
a quick hummus.
mara.
So
Nyakwata mina
you
yabo.
don't like a guy that spam fast?
Yeah. I must enjoy.
No.
Wano ukhame manje you just fuck and then you just came
But
now.
ngaphandle emva kwendlu then
But still you must be strong. You must be a man. drink everything. Drink lempesule. Phuza ukuthi ube strong.
yeah, my dog.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, continue with the story and then what happened?
Hawa. Shapu nyakwata mina siyawela endlini. We chill there. Angisendela imali yami athi, did you check your account? Ngathi okay. Shapu unsendete 1.9. Manje re lwela 100 rand. Ke kwata tsa 100 rand yaanong ke tswana yang joela wena. Where's my 100 rand? Yabona? Hawa athi a tshwara ma a tlohela. Ka moha ka loto. I pulled his leg like this. Hi, after yamtshela ukuthi you even came fast. Hawa
Ooh.
ngatshela uguy. I told the guy that you even came fast because I was mad man. Hawa we left the topic ngiyahlala. I don't know what happened to that guy. I am a he stand up, started beating me.
Yeah, because women there or like less of a man.
Ish.
Hey.
And I mean, Nane, I'm too stubborn.
Okay.
I should have fight back, but because of we are in someone's house, I respected that. Nyamyekela katikilisa. I called other people, but by solve. I went to police station, then katluhela, cause nowadays it's not like I'm a police in, but this police, they are no longer doing their work. Yeah, but I teach you too much. They take money too much. So ngayekela le case le ngathi no, I'll solve everything with the guy.
So what happened?
I didn't open the case because I know that le case le it won't even go far.
So you didn't even try to open the case?
No.
Then what made you to stop going and open a case?
Because these police, they don't do their work. But those Nigerians, it's obvious. Mina ngizothi i-case batimeza docket or something. Nowadays
But you don't have an experience of that, okay?
I don't have.
Yeah.
Maybe I like the guy or I like those guys. Bam bribile bam pachelete kaslolukibula case. Raba sharpu, because I still want to attend their parties. They are good people. Yeah, mina ngiyabathanda. Ngenze.
But the guy must he beat you up.
Yeah.
Maybe it was a mistake. It was supposed to happen. You know these people, what kind of people they are. Mina it was really strong. My sisters are very strong. And mind you, it was 1st of January.
Yeah.
Corner the year start. So maybe there was something was fishy. You don't know. My sisters are strong.
But kube umuntu ngapha South Africa ngabe umthwarisile.
Yeah, if it was a South African, ngiyabe ngimotwarisile because bana le tlhoyo popota our brothers. South African brothers. Bana le tlhoyo popota. Angeke anginike imali athi sorry baby. Angeke.
So you solve things with a guy now, he sends you money again. He sends you how much now?
He sent me 5K just not to open the case. Because I have a scar manje lan. Yeah.
But that is not good. GBV.
Yeah. Yeah, but also they solve they solve things on their own. But if she's okay with it, there's nothing you can say. There's nothing we can do.
Yeah, it's like maybe he's my husband. We are married. Angshaya. Nyahamba police station. Menketa. I'm still going to go back to the police station to close the case. Yeah, well, nice. It's like that.
Those things happen.
It's gonna be an occurring thing because we as if he knows what to do. So
they know that this girl like money.
Yeah.
Let's just give this girl money. You get it.
So one day was a keep leash.
Yeah, that was the first and the last. It was a wake-up call.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying, Mina, I'm retiring from ashawo prostitution.
Then now who's gonna service you now?
Service me? I'll get myself a boyfriend. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. A Nigerian boyfriend or a German boyfriend or a white, I don't know, or a Zulu or I don't know.
African custody.
Or African what?
African custody.
You're not going there. They make money. They say allegedly.
Money, for 10K that I can even get now.
Never.
Oh, well, that thing is your media for the rest of my life. Bana ba ka batlo e bona for 10K. 10K is small.
You want how much if the guy
Million.
Yeah, because that guy wins a million.
So you also want $1 million?
Yeah, I can do that if you can offer $1 million.
You can do it.
Yeah, ke sa phela yo. Ba shem. 10K ya fela no. Wena tle bo tsama le fatselo lotlhe ntse. O sa para. O tlo nyala ke mang o bone ke banna bo botlhe.
Yeah, siboni punani.
Ale hayi nyala ngeke. Ngithanda imali mara 10K is too small.
It's too small, isn't it?
Too small. Offer me $1 million. I get that thobola. Era 6 tape or ba monate. As long as I have $1 million, get that tomadi business. I don't care.
You don't care if you're trending.
I don't care. I have $1 million. Get that the business. The business. It's your busa. Ara millions. Awan. Yes.
Wow.
Over.
So to sell is a good thing, according to you, or what?
To sell. To sell is not a good thing, Shem.
Yeah.
Cause this thing is not a lifetime. It's not a lifetime at all.
Mm.
Wafelo as a girl.
As a
Wafelo,
girl.
Well, fair,
wafelo,
like,
yeah.
but girls, they say most they are on to.
I feel like I get about there's upcoming ones.
Yeah.
Like my 2000, my 2000 mamangi, like there's upcoming ones. When a manje umagogo manje abasakufuna uyabona. They know you everywhere. So this thing is not a lifetime. It's just for fun manje. Just have fun. You and but when time goes on, and while doing that thing, this prostitution, just have something that you are doing in your life. Uyabona. Maybe school or business, something. Cause
Yeah. Yeah, ngiyakubuza cause there is a girl up on TikTok, official teacher, who promoted this thing of selling, as if like it's something that is good. You can get money or something.
yeah, this thing you make money. Mara, it's not a lifetime. Uyakula. Who fita 35 or 45? Will you still be doing this? Oh my God, manje, you don't have anything. You don't even have a car. Cause le mali le prostitution. Ayenzi lutho shem. If I no so.
So what do you do if they come inside?
When they come inside, don't fuck raw. I don't fuck raw.
Yeah.
You don't. But if you like the guy,
Unless he's my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
do you have a boyfriend now?
I don't.
Even now, you don't have. What happened?
What happened, man?
No, like obviously, like it's been long. So who's busy servicing
I
you?
get it. Mina ngisase busy. Ngisase busy nge-ashawe nge-prostitution. So this year, ngifuna ukuyakela and be doing my own things, hosting, ngenza bu DJ wami. Ngiyekele lezi zinto lezi ze-ashawe. I don't have to be everywhere now. I'm a brand. So for me uthi ngithengise ngithi 5K inini kirobala labatho motho ka osane kirobala le it's not my life anymore.
Yes.
Yeah, ne? So after you left here, like, did you manage to do maybe a threesome or that foursome that you spoke about?
Yes.
You did it.
Yeah.
Threesome.
How was it?
How was it?
It's nice, shame. Yeah.
Like, what was happening?
Yeah, tell us about our moments.
Yeah, like what was happening?
I guess it was 2 girls, 1 guy. Not a busy exchange of it. You know, I'm busy spanking the girl. Papa.
Oh, you playing lesbian things.
Yeah, bisexual.
Yeah, oh.
So you had like a great feeling.
Yeah.
Would you still do it again?
Sometimes just for fun.
Just for fun?
Yeah. And I once said, I can do that thing with my boyfriend anytime. Yeah.
Invite another girl.
Yes. I don't mind.
You don't mind, eh?
I don't mind.
Threesome.
Yes, with my man,
With
my
your man.
boyfriend. Yeah, my man has to have fun. Not to give me valele pandle.
Yeah. He must enjoy life.
Yes.
Enjoy cake.
Yes. Mara mina bengathi invite a friend to come and have threesome or foursome. He won't agree. Why vele? Why guys are like that?
Aish.
Why? Mara for me to call a friend to come and have threesome with my man. Hey, he will be happy. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Mara, mina. let me-
You know what? Into ezokwenzeka. Uguy uzo-excel more than mina. So that maybe na next time uzomfuna futhi.
Maybe that's
We had
what he might be scared
console,
of.
Yes.
Oh,
What if mina ngicama shooter fast? Then uguy maybe he took longer than me. Then you see ukuthi we invited trouble. The next day yimo zoba complain ekhalo ukuthi no. The guy usethatha umuntu wami.
Yes, because he fucked you well.
Yeah. Yabo. Maybe you'll be performing those things like squirting.
But still, it's 50-50 because even if you call another girl, that girl would still, she can still go after your man because of he fucked her good.
you go after my man house while we paid you.
Eh?
Oh, yeah, we paid you. You just came here to have fun. My man have to fuck you. Mali. Go and do your things somewhere else.
Hey,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eh?
Hmm.
Okay. Then, Andre, like, do you consider yourself like getting married? Like,
Last time I said no. You
yeah.
remember? Hey, but manje, I'm too
You've
beautiful. I've changed. I want to get married. Yes.
And have kids.
And then you're cool, manje. So even the mindset, yeah, change. Yeah. I mean, I want to get married.
so which
I want
means
to be someone's wife.
I'm asking this because of like I wanted to know, Guti, would you be able like to stay with the guy like full time?
Yeah.
Kasi boreki.
Yeah, but not fat and set. What you call that?
Yeah, if I can say
Yeah. Don't utle ko high kokota. Pay lower, marry me or something. Even if you can pay half. At least not fat and set. Take it on Nalwana. I must cook for you. I must clean the house. Jakraha. Marry me. Then yeah, ngizahlela naye.
But ama-duties omuntu wesimame lawo.
But still, ngathi udla ikraha yami manje. Ba?
then how much money like cause now Pela remember when like you've got experience like with
Experience
a lot of things.
yani.
Yeah?
Yani.
You know, like experience like in almost in everything. You see.
Yeah.
So now how much must he pay? Like if the guy now must pay to take
It
you.
doesn't matter if I have experience. Naye lapha unay experience. Maybe he was buying nyash or he was buying, I don't know. He was doing some other things. Nami bengiyenza. So you don't have to judge me because of my past.
Yeah.
You judge me because of how I look now. And the degrees and stuff. Ngingena esikolo njani kwenzakalani. That's how you have to judge me.
Yeah.
Yes. Awutlonyala style fela bari fela.
So how much money like
I don't know. I mean I don't know.
Oh, okay. When how much would you want? Because when you know like your weight, okay.
I mean I don't know, Shem.
So now you don't know your weight.
I know my worth, Mara. I don't know. Maybe 50K.
50K. It's fine.
Ish. I'm doing tata forever. Kaya. Then ubadala 50K. Ish.
How much must it?
it?
Then how much must it pay?
At least maybe from 50K, maybe 70. Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. Nugonyala ka 15,000. 15,000 le ngibhodlile mina ngidlile already.
You know, the more imoto ihamba ama kilos.
Awuba, as long as imoto isase strong isase fine, yeah change. Ithi ukutshela angithi every year bangenisa imoto, maybe last year bekune M2, this year kuna M3. Nayo lo muntu lo uya change ngithi. Maybe last year bekuyi M2 and then this year
M3.
M3 one
But the
change.
The engine
is always fresh. I can't get one. There's a new thing. Lo muntu lo change, it's a new beginning, sangit.
yeah.
Then now, if you were to stay with the man, how often like would you give him?
If I was
Yeah, if like now you're staying with the man.
every day. If he wants.
Anytime he wants, he can get.
Yeah. I mean, I don't want to like tiny sex.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah, I mean, I time.
Yeah.
And I'm active, so every day, Shem. Yeah. Maybe I want. Baby, I want to. I'm going to be angry at you. I'm going to be mad.
Yeah.
Yo. So now what? Then like if now you're with the person and then he gives you, but still you're not satisfied, do you tell the guy, oh, make me?
I want better sharp.
I can. Ngamthengela nempesu or kamapiela. Kamnyanyampekela ilo ipizza hore abe strong. Pizza ya banna.
Yeah.
Well, and for me nakuthi ngiyekele lezi zinto lezi. Like I'm making ukuthi idlozi lami lihlale dichila. Because I sleep with different guys and I don't have to. Whenever my ancestors and God have to bless me, it's going back because ke tlatsa dichila. Ke chila fets already, ke chila fets abadimo back. Ngwana badimo.
Yeah.
Umntana odlozi mina nje kuphela.
Then why you're doing this thing?
I accept. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. For ngiyekele lezi zinto lezi ngingcolisa idlozi lami. So that's why ngiyekela, because when they have to bless me, they have to bring whatever belongs to me by push it back because of what I'm doing. It's not okay for me.
Oh yes.
Yeah, ne. That's a heavy one. That's a heavy lesson that you learn. And then like, how did you realize or your things are being held back?
My mom told me.
Your mom?
My mom is young, so she told me. This life, you can even be killed. That's why I'm pushing myself back. And I was enjoying, Mara. I was enjoying. So manje fanele ukuthi ngisiphushele back and do my own things and make my own money. Yeah. By next year I'll be maybe driving my own car if ngiyayekela lezi zinto lezi manje.
Then what are you studying at school? Because I know that you're studying.
I'm doing medical.
Okay.
Mara, that's not what I want.
What do you want?
I want entertainment, DJ, but I'm being forced to go to school. I'm being forced. My parents want me to go to school, and which means I like entertainment.
So you can't convince your parents that you like entertainment? I
did, mama ka unale scopo sautia like. Like I tried.
Like ulikile straight.
Since umuntu wamadlozi, are you planning ukuyotwasa or something?
Mina ngithwasa chomi so langayethwasa ePhohleni. I stayed there 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah. When they have to do the ceremony, bathengile imbuzi, they bought everything.
Yeah.
Utshwala. But whenever we have to do the ceremony, igobela uyapostpone. Every week we are postpone. I told my mom that I'm tired, manje. I can't do this anymore. I'm tired. Ngihlelelana ngathi we are slaves now. So bangitshela ukuthi mina idlozi lami akusidlozi la kuthwasa. Nginedlozi likhulu ake khunamele umuntu nangithi thokoza kumuntu. My sisters like ke bo khulu. Se ba le ba thwasa ba khunamela motho ba mpontsha nna.
Bothokoza gogo. Yeah.
Angenzi lezi zinto lezo ukuthi mina ngibe gobela. I'm the gobela myself.
Oh.
Ngithwasile mina self already.
Hey, my thought.
Yeah. Yes. But angazi umuthi mina nje. Anomthanda rutileng.
Serious?
Yes.
How do you know them?
Umpontsha.
Wapons. Like through dreams?
Maybe like bengihambe estradeni ngibona ukuthi something comes with it. Do this, mix this with this. My grandfather was bekuyinyanga, but nelingaka ela asiwa uthwasa. Uthusa dikoma like likoma, utshwara dikoma, athwasa. He knows muti himself.
Is there anything that maybe like you have learned that they've done in your family that you would say like it was a ritual? What is it?
That they've done in my family. Let me remember. Oh, my brother passed away. 2022, I think. Then can't already babile something like a cow skin
Where?
by inside the yard.
Okay.
By a bed on Tlalhang. So after my brother passed away, dia kosa hore mama ka like anta jika mo jarateng aya hona mola mo ba petting that thing and tantwela ntwela ke yone bolaileng my brother. That's the thing that killed my brother. This life, you have to be strong. You have to be strong.
Yo.
And when I'm J family, I'm I only love my mom, my dad, and my brother. They are not good people, Mus. Well, family telling that they are not good people. The only family that ki ratang is from my mother's side. But from my father's side, I don't like them. The only person baratang from my father's side is my auntie. Only one. I have like 4 aunts. Only one. Babamba abathakathi nje kuphela.
Is there anything wrong about Wenzayon or something?
That's about Tagat.
Abathakathi nje kuphela.
Yeah, but chozi kanjani? Maybe mhlambe there's something wrong abayenzile kuye or kubo.
Long story. Let's cut it short. Asivali. Marang bathandi. These families are not good people.
So like they've done stuff.
Yeah, there's something they've done.
What is it?
Okay.
Ish. Asivali.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay. And then Andre, like, what's your love language?
My love language. Love language. For you to send me money, take me for shopping, let's go out together, buy me flowers, yeah. Buy me a flight ticket, say, baby, let's go to Zanzibar.
Zanzibar.
Yes.
Hey.
Where's that place? Where's that place?
Zanzibar, Tanzania.
Tanzania.
It's nice there.
Yeah, it's nice.
Have you ever been there?
I've never been there.
You wanna be there, ne?
Yes.
Then what's your favorite or your best sex position?
It's a woman on top.
Women on top.
We ride you can ride.
So like you can ride, like.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm jealous, like, cause you'd find girl like, with like, how does the woman get to be the best good sex? Like, is it because of like they're being fucked too much, or like they watch porn, or like they just like, what do you guys do? Like, for you guys, like, hey, you know what? For me to level my game, like this is what I do. What do you do when? And what do you think other girls do?
Some they watch porn.
Yeah. think so.
You can learn stuff there.
Yeah, because there are a lot of styles there.
Yeah.
And then when?
Nakirang.
Yeah.
Kirang na.
What do you do? I wanna know.
How?
No, like like to level your game. Like how do you how like
Luto.
you don't do anything? Who taught you women on top gun? You taught yourself.
Mina.
Eh?
Yeah. Who can maragima I can rutang woman on top?
I don't know, maybe like utlakana le batho and stuff and
But abanye they do it, then avela email on top. Then when ngaphansi you have to perform.
I mean, I don't like it that way.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to perform.
Oh.
Not whether I'm going to baby. I mean, I'm fully peppering. Oh, yeah.
then how do you tell that now like you are satisfied? Like
I get must come.
Yeah.
oh.
That's when I'll know that I am managing right. I'm satisfied. I'm okay.
So you are faster when you on top. Or-
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I don't like slow sex.
Oh.
Yeah.
You
like
it
fast.
rough.
Yeah,
Rough?
I like it rough.
Mm.
Half.
Yeah.
I always low for any. Oh, you want to enjoy? Oh,
Mm.
maybe Baba slow. Give a the lover. What? Ara, must be. Ish.
But when you feel rough, we should have fast.
Oh,
Yeah.
How long do you take when as a woman to spam?
Mina,
Yeah.
30 minutes.
Oh,
30 minutes.
that's too long, was.
Yeah.
The guy maybe would have.
ah.
The guy spams.
You.
Last
Wow.
time I went with my friend somewhere.
Mm.
Then she was with the other guy. We were 4, but it was not a foursome.
Okay.
Omunye nomunye babaphethe umuntu wakhe, yabona?
Okay.
So my friend didn't come. The guy didn't fuck my friend nice.
Mm.
My friend was complaining. Hi, she's a petty though. Hi, I want jabotin na. I want jabotin. Well, I'm a petty, but I get connosable like
Oh,
in Kalhan.
Okay.
Awa shapo. So can't mugele uduma nagamala side thing.
Mm.
Then Onyaka my boy, the guy that I was with, cause that one he didn't fuck her nice.
Yo.
I mean I got mad. Hey, not woman to me. Cause the guy gave me nice, he fucked nice, he's a good person. So lo Naduma the way we having fun. And I'm like, moja baby, moja. Aba sharp arobar.
Then now, cause you said you don't do it raw. If the condom bust, what is the resolution
You
after
can
that?
feel it fast, or pull it out.
You pull out.
But most gents don't pull out.
Naka I feel.
You feel it?
Yeah.
It passed.
Yeah, to apa di twani. Oh, the condom, you can feel the condom. When it's raw, you can feel it. I don't know, it's raw. Until like, yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same feeling.
So which one do you prefer?
Condom. I got it, man. We don't know each other. Condom. Madam, no one we do it raw.
Like, how do you like it? That's what I'm trying to understand. How do you like it?
Between, yeah.
Between raw and plastic.
And
Yeah.
plastic, yeah.
Now I like plastic. Because I'm on the streets. You don't know, TA. We are menjani lo muntu lo.
Yeah.
So with the plastic, it's fine. You can give him like anytime.
The go toilet, the go club.
Have you ever done it in the toilet?
In the club.
Go toilet.
In the club, go toilet.
Oh, but you can.
Yeah. Not get the wrong road to show me. I go. But why you are? I go.
In a car?
I take risk. Where? In a car? I once had one in a car. Yes.
Okay. I know. Kiyawutlwa. I don't know. Is there anything that you'd like to ask a princess?
Are you like uyayibona unabantwana
Me.
in the future? Yeah.
Yes.
How many?
I only want two.
Two. Like a
boy?
girl and a boy?
Yes.
Oh.
Or twins.
Twins.
Even if you can get
maybe
twins.
I can get a boyfriend who has a twin. Yes, it's fine. He will give me twins.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, no one about that. So, I wanted you to do a 360. You don't want to do a 360?
I'm phony.
How? Maybe you can get a potential out there.
I'm phony.
Okay. Yeah, any advice kumanye ma stripper or
Yeah,
abantu
to girls who
bakho?
wanna be maybe in your field, because there are girls like who wanna be in your field, but they're in the closet, they are scared.
Yeah, ski.
Yeah,
I
and
mean,
stuff.
there's some girls, many girls text me, hey, can you please plug me with Nigerians? Hey, for you to be with Nigerians, you must be strong.
Yeah.
Because they're too small, but they will use them. You must be strong. You must be too smart to be dealing with those people. But now they are good people, they treat good care of women. But mind you now, people who pay girls,
Yeah.
mind you, in this century, it's South Africans.
South African.
Oh. South African guys, they give girls money, shame. But I keep Nigerians, they have mara, they're stingy.
Oh, it's vice versa now.
Yeah, they have money, mara, they're stingy. But they will take good care of you, mara. South Africans, hey, buy a thing. They buy, basabula maka, bari, hey, warekisa, they buy nyash, yes. Baraka maraho, ma South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, so
abeko abusive.
to this,
Yeah. Abeko abusive.
South Africans?
No, Nigerian people, guys.
some are abusive, some
Some
they
are
are
abusive.
not.
Mm.
No fun South Africans like
Yeah.
yeah, bon. So Mina, to these young girls, ne, you can join the industry, Mara. You must be too careful. This industry is not for a week.
Yeah.
Cause you can meet a guy, we to a guy who maybe young status is young krolongwana omushapo, when our krolorubala mushimani or wadisa. After 3 months or a year, Norwena or Tenamustrating, you wanna be like us, wasinye hawa tlakakan. So you must be too smart and just go to school. Min advice I go just go to school. The rumo la wanyana la musadi ki school, education. There's nothing else.
Yeah.
Munna ka sofi education bona loka nna le nurse ke nurse o tsene sekolo wena wa ya sekolong ke bo nurse ba hae so when I just go to school o tlwaele banna ba ka sofi selo they will pay you back ka masepa
Yeah. Yeah. Akwenzeki ukuthi ube pregnant lapha ya estradweni kulomdayiso we prostitution.
I'm not sure Mara you can I'm not sure Mara you can well you just have to take injection implant for 3 years yeah prevent
Yeah.
and have preps. That's the
Preps.
best solution
Yeah.
if you are on the streets.
That's why bengikubuza ukuthi in future are you planning ukuthi ube nabantwana? Because lama injection sometimes anama effect thizeni. Uthola ukuthi ayakulimaza usathola abantwana in future.
Ayenzakali le.
Aykhonakala. Yeah.
Mina baby, I was having a boyfriend. It actually I met him komoloko. He gave me money. You enjoyed. Then I call my boyfriend. Yeah, ish.
Yeah.
Ish long for no lawyer. And he's small. He's a small boy. Kamufita then that's all. Ish.
Oh,
I
yeah.
seen that one like you. I seen yeah.
Mhm.
But unfortunately, I got a miscarriage. God, thank you, God.
Oh.
Last year, askale, hey. No?
So you know spamela.
Ah, it was my boyfriend.
Yeah.
Ish. Asinya ngwana. Hey, amosha. I don't like these small boys. Hey, matata. Ish. They are too active. Ish.
Yo, eh?
They're too active, huh?
Yeah, they're too active. Hey, this small one, hey, the takatari nate. Ukreka kamufeta. He's 19 years old. Mara he got money. Kasi to wake guy.
Oh.
He's a South African.
So you what's all miscarriage?
Mm.
Eish. Yeah, me.
Right,
But
thank
when
God.
how many months?
It was 2.
2 months.
Mm.
Why are you saying thanks God?
Yeah, thank God, because I'm still young. I still want to achieve some things. I don't want a baby manje.
Oh.
For me, no good thing even nomtana. I must have a house. I must drive my own car.
Yeah.
I must have the money that I will maintain my baby. So manje, I'm still maintaining myself. Le mali la ayiko ukuthi maintain umntwana.
But the guy utuni ube nemali.
Una le chalete mara nake ngwana chumita ga dinthehe.
But he was gonna take care of the baby. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, still mina bengamfuni umntana.
Because
Ndimuboni.
about
Lo mntwana lo ubona
Chomba
ukuthi hayi umama akangifuni. Hey, ithi ngihambe.
Yo.
Aye. Okay.
Okay.
I know, ngiyakuzwa.
Told a princess.
And then
Yeah, how was the feeling? Oh, sorry. Ngingasho kanjalo. Like i-clip yakho sibone igijima kuma-million. Then uyibonile
I saw it.
ama-text athini lapho?
Eh?
Bakutextile.
Asivala. They said, oh, someone, he's a Nigerian though.
Yeah.
I didn't even have his number. He texted me. He said, I saw you. I want to have foursome with you. Me and my 3 guys.
Oh, yeah.
He told me that. He said, you slept with 50 years old man. Ish, that guy. Ish.
Yeah.
hey, so these things they do get to people that you know, ane?
Yeah.
These videos, ane?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ne? I know.
Someone texted my mom today. Ati, my mom posted me on TikTok. Ati, it's your daughter. My mom said yes. Hey, your daughter is naughty. I saw her on this other podcast.
Oh,
Kabanga.
she's 20.
He's telling my mom, hey. Eish.
Yeah.
But it's
ne?
life. It's entertainment life. Abantu here like the 2000 I'm enjoying my life. Ngizobhodla imali, ngizobhodla impilo lana.
Your mom is still young or what?
Yeah.
Mm.
She looks young,
She looks young.
but she's not young.
Yeah.
And I'm the last born.
Okay.
She looks young though. If you can see my mom with me, you can say she's my friend.
Oh,
She's so beautiful.
she's so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Like you.
Yeah. Yule wamphala. Mama kupila, guys. My mom upila. Ke mo fa di medlele so. So, bona ke mo fa mopanta so.
Yeah.
The rank. Yeah. This is my mom. And I have 2 brothers. I'm the only girl. Ke la babuti ba baholo.
Baring.
I get rid of the other one passed away. Who said to one?
Oh.
O tla reng?
Yeah.
O tla reng ke impilo. Usisi wakho uthanda izinto. O tla reng?
Ungafila kanjani?
It's at the end of the day, as much as she reaches
It's my own
18,
choice.
there's nothing you can do, actually. Like, you can try, but it's pointless at the end of the day because it's what she wants. Like, how can you stop someone from wanting Lentaifuna? You can't stop that person from wanting Lentaifuna. You can only advise, but you can't make certain decisions because now you can end up maybe laying a hand on her and she can get you arrested for that. Yeah, well, so
Exactly.
it can
Manje,
lead to an
di-change-ile.
altercation, like a real altercation. So just for your own peace, Liwena, just let it be. Let it learn life in your own way. Because I feel like in life, we all have, like, our journeys are different. Yeah, bo. So my journey, it won't be like I have my own story to tell, and she also has her own story to tell from her side, and they gotta be different. So I can't say because of my story looks better than her, then I must try and be judgmental. I can't do that, because now she can't be judgmental on my story. She can't. You saw Nota once said, like, in the open chat to see when they look at these clips when they are old, they'll be ashamed of themselves and stuff like that. Like, he said something similar to that, you see. But when I don't see it like that, you see. So, like, Yabonuguti, it's like whatever that makes that certain individual happy, it's okay. As long as it makes you happy, it's fine. Yabo. Because now there are a lot of this podcasting has took over the whole internet.
Yeah. So
all these clips that we're busy doing, shooting, they'll forever be there. Our kids are gonna see those things. So we want to see, and like abanye, like obviously it's gonna be a thing of good baba, like yo, but mama la and stuff like that. They'll be ashamed. You see,
yeah, okay.
Abanye, they'll be like, yo, my mom was a superstar. So like, yabona. So like, it's something
like Zodwa Wabantu.
You see.
Aish.
But yeah, she's okay. She's fine with that. You have a problem with what she's doing, but she doesn't have.
Right.
Yes, when you're busy stressing
enjoying.
when you are enjoying, when you're busy stressing about the person that doesn't give a damn.
Yeah. Aish. Yeah.
So now she's got her own story to tell, and that's her journey. Yabo. She'll learn izinto on her own, do her own things. It's fine. As much as now you are learning things in a different way. You see, because even with you, your child won't go through the same things that you went through. It's they say it's different. To all of us, like even if and stuff, our child will not go through the things that we went through. No, they will have their own story to tell. They will talk different things from what we are talking. So, enjoy.
Manje mina, I want to ask. Mina, I'm scared, man. Ngathi ngiyakula, my mind is growing, ne?
Yeah.
I like Nigerians, ne? I feel like they are my family, ne?
Okay.
But I'm scared to have a baby with a Nigerian.
Oh.
Cause if if he dies now, uyahamba uya Nigeria mina ngosala nabantwana uyabona it's something yabona
or maybe avuke the next day ahambe nomntwana wakho
uyabona
uzomthola kaphi.
Where am I going to get that person?
You see. Eish.
Yeah, Kona, it's kind of scary, that one. I do understand.
I like them. They are good people. Mara, manje mina, good thing shot in Nigeria. I'm still going back.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
It's not easy, ne?
I rather go for South African, I don't know, or a white, or a British, or a Chinese.
And Pakistan.
Angibafuni mina. Oh, Pakistani.
Yeah. Or go for Amakwang.
What? Kwang?
Yeah.
Who's those people angbazi?
No, like people from Zambia, Mozambique and stuff.
Yeah. Not Zimbabwe.
Why not Zimbabwe?
Maybe we don't meet the right ones.
You've met some of them?
Yeah. There's this other guy. He's rich. He stays in Captain Park. I forgot that estate. Mara uhlala billionaires there. So mina I Nigeria ish. I love them, Shem. They are good people, mara ish. Uthing shot or ngibana nomntwana nabo manje ish. They are just for fun, cause now they took South African girls as they are just for fun. That's what they took. these girls, we don't take these girls serious. They're just for fun. Some of Nigerians, they don't even respect South African girls.
Yeah, because in any portrayer is.
Yeah, I can say that. Some they don't, but some they do respect some South African girls. But abanye,
They don't.
they don't, yeah. And it's so painful.
Ebono sinabashana bama Nigeria.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up now.
Yeah.
Princess, you can share your socials. They must follow you. So please
Anything
share.
you want to say.
Okay, you guys can follow me on Facebook, Karabo Princess Letwaba.
Yeah.
Yes, and on Instagram is Princess Babe 01.
TikTok.
I don't have TikTok.
You have a page on Facebook.
Yeah, ona.
Askazi Sumtega.
Awulazi.
Hey.
Mina ngiyalazi.
Okay. We can tag you, right? Okay. Okay, because hey.
And I love you guys.
Nah, we love you too. We love you too.
Okay. Take care.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified whenever we are dropping an episode. And we are out. Yeah.